Good morning everybody. I am Sridhar Reddy. Today my topic is classification of element based on the blacks or classification of elements into blacks. Here if you take based on the differentiating electron. What is the meaning of the differentiating electron? Newly coming electron. Newly coming electron entering into which orbital? Based on this one, entire elements present in the periodic table are classified into 4 blacks. Namely S block element, P block element, D block element and F block element. Let us take S block elements. Definition of S block element, if you observe, the differentiating electron if enters into the S orbital, those elements are called as the S block elements. S orbital if you take, it has only one orientation. We can accommodate maximum number of electron will be 2, and further we have 2 groups particularly for the S block element. Those are called as the first A and the second A. First A is called as the alkaline elements and second A is called as alkaline earth elements. The valency electronic configuration of first A if you observe NS1 and second A is NS2. The last electron entering into the which orbital? S orbital. That's why these elements are called as the S block elements. We have 2 groups. Where you are having the S block, extremely left side of the periodic table, and which is consisting of the S block. And S block if you observe, leaving the hydrogen, all the elements are present in the form of the metals, metallic nature. So alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, so nothing but S block is 100% of metallic nature except one hydrogen. P block. If the differentiating electron enters into the P orbital, then those elements are said to be P block elements. P orbital will have 3 orientation. One is called as Px orbital, Py orbital, Pz orbital. We can accommodate maximum number of electron will be 6. So we are having the 6 groups, namely 3rd A to 7th A including 0. The valency electronic configuration of the 3rd A is NS2 NP1, 7th group will be the NS2 NP5, 0 is having NS2 NP6. If you observe, the last electron is entering into the P orbital, that's why these elements are called as the P block elements. And P block elements is consisting of all type of elements. What is the meaning of all type of elements? It consisting of metals, non-metals and metallites. Where they are present? These 6 groups are present extremely at the right side of the periodic table. Right side of the periodic table. D block elements. If the differentiating electron enters into the penultimate shell of the d orbital, penultimate shell of the d orbital, those elements is said to be d block element, and d orbital will having, or d orbital is having 5 orientation: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square and dz square. Ultimately we can accommodate 10 electron, so we have 10 groups starting with the 3rd B to 7th B. 8th group is the combination of 8, 9, 10 groups, and first B, second B. And D block element valency electronic configuration is N-1 D1 to 10 NS2, where the differentiating electron enters into the penultimate shell of the d orbital. And the d orbital if you observe, we have 4 series you are having. One is called the 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. If the differentiating electron enters into the 3D orbital, then those elements are called as 3D series element. 3D, 4D, 5D will have 10 elements each, whereas the 6D is a incomplete series. Ultimately, if the last electron enters into the d orbital, those elements are called as the d block element. The d orbital nothing but enters into the penultimate shell of the d orbital you are having. Where they are present? They are present in between the S and the P block element. In between S and P. S is present extremely left side. P is present extremely right side. In between S and P we have D block, a block element. The elements in which the differentiating electron enters into the anti-penultimate of F block. Anti-penultimate of f orbital, those elements are called as the f block element, and it consisting of valence electronic configuration n-2 f1 to 14 n-1 d0 to 1 ns2. So the differentiating electron enters into the anti-penultimate shell of the f orbital up to 14 electrons. That's why we are not having any group particularly for the f block element. We have two series. One is called the 4f series, second one is called the 5f series. 4f series is called the lanthanide series, 5f series is called the actinide series, and both lanthanide and actinide belongs to the third B group. Both belongs to the third B. 4f belongs to nothing but lanthanide belongs to the 6th period, actinide belongs to the 7th period. Ultimately, based on the differentiating electron, all the elements are classified into 4 blocks, namely S block, P block, D block and F block. The differentiating electron enters into the S orbital. Those elements are called as the S block elements. Similarly, P, D and F we are having. S orbital, we can accommodate maximum number of electron 2. So, we have 2 groups. In the P orbital, we can accommodate maximum number of electrons 6. That's why we have 6 groups. D orbital, we can accommodate maximum number of electron 10. So we are having the 10 groups. Up to here, 10 plus 6 plus 2, 18 groups finished. What about the F block element? We can accommodate the F block consisting of the 7 orientation, 14 electron. We require the 14 groups, but we are not having any 14 groups, but we have 2 series, 4f and 5f series. Each series is consisting of the 14 elements, total 28 elements, and which are placed below the main table in the form of the small table. Thank you.